Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are doing the workshop build series part 2, so stick around. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is fix the roof, so grabbing a pressure washer and cleaning it, then grabbing some latex paint and paint it. What else am I going to do with paint? Drink it? Okay, so let's do that first. Now we're turning our attention to the inside because the masonry is literally falling apart. There are a bunch of holes in the inside that I have to take care of, so we're just filling some of those holes with cement and bricks, and because it's really boring to see myself just throwing bricks and cement to a hole, I'm just gonna do a before and after, and then we'll just continue, okay? Okay? Boring. Alright, so the next thing that we are doing is just grabbing a paintbrush and starting to do my shit. Sorry for that, we're painting it. Okay, so that's it basically. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was like a bit shorter than what I usually do. I know, I know, but I just want to get this video out so I can show you guys what I've been doing. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because there I just upload from time to time shit that I do on the shop, and also a lot of other bullshit that I don't give a fuck about it. I just throw what I think about the world and all of that. So yeah, if you like that kind of thinking, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, February47, and it's in the banner. I know I changed the logo and that. I might do a video on that soon, or no, I don't know. Leave your thoughts down in the comments. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for leaving likes. Thank you for subscribing. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. We are very close to reaching 400 subscribers. So yeah, thank you for leaving your comments. Thank you for all the love that I'm getting through these years. I will see you very shortly here on the channel. Catch you later, guys. Bye.